Warm greetings to all my students of grade 7. Today we are going to see a very short topic from the science book, and the name of the topic is digestion in animals. We would have observed many grass-eating animals such as cows, buffaloes, goats, etc., chewing continuously even when they are not eating. They actually swallow the food items quickly and store it in a part of the stomach called as rumen. It is where the food gets partially digested, and this partially digested food is called as cud. But later, the cud returns to the mouth into small lumps, and the animals chew it again and again. And hence, this process is called as rumination. And all these animals are called as ruminants. The grass is rich in cellulose, which is a type of carbohydrate. In ruminants like cattle and deer, etc., bacteria are present in the rumen, which will help in the digestion of the cellulose. Many animals, including humans, cannot digest these cellulose. So, animals like horses, rabbits have a large sac-like structure called as caecum, which is present between the esophagus and the small intestine. The cellulose of the food is digested in the caecum by the action of certain bacteria which are not present in the humans. So now we are going to see how the digestion takes place in an microorganism. Amoeba is a microscopic single-celled organisms commonly found in the pond water. They have cell membrane, a rounded dense nucleus, and many small bubble-like vacuoles in its cytoplasm. These amoebas constantly changes its shapes and position. It pushes out one or more finger-like projections called pseudopodia or the false feet, which helps them to capture their food or for their movement. Amoebas mostly feed on some microscopic organisms when it senses its food. It pushes out the false feet or the pseudopodia around the food particle and it just engulfs it. The food becomes trapped in a food vacuole. Later, the digestive juices are secreted into the food vacuole, and there these juices will act on the food and break it down into simpler substances. And then the digested food are absorbed, and these absorbed substances are used for their growth, for maintenance of their body, as well as for their multiplication process. And the remaining undigested waste materials of the food is expelled outside by the vacuole. There are two pictures given in this video. The first picture clearly indicates or clearly shows how does an amoeba moves in search of food using its pseudopodia or false feet. And the second picture clearly shows how the food is being engulfed into the food vacuole with the help of the false feet. This picture clearly shows the process of digestion which takes place in the microscopic organism. So, as normal, how the humans ingest their food. Amoebas, with the help of their false feet, they engulf their food. Then the digestion process takes place in the food vacuole, after which the absorption process takes place, absorbing all the necessary nutrients from the food which has been engulfed by the amoeba. And later, the egestion process takes place out of the vacuole. Hope you all really understood how the digestion takes place in the grass-eating animals as well as in the microscopic organisms. Thank you.